Day number 2.
Sí me he bañado, pero todavía tengo pintura en las greñas.
¿Pintura de cuál? Oh, andaba pintándote de negro.
Pues que mi mamá me trajo las outlets, pero como que no hay ni una tienda que me...
Llamen la atención. Reebok. Entire store 50%.
Check it out.
Heck yeah, Reebok.
Reebok.
About to come out with some new shoes. And my baby's priority.
My baby had some money saved just for me for the outlets, but it's hard for me to spend all that money knowing that we can spend it somewhere else. I don't know. Let's go check out Reebok.
La mano.
What are those?
They're my sandals.
What are those? They're called my sandals.
So we're out of Reebok now. We didn't buy anything because the deals don't seem appetizing, and I don't think I'm in the shopping mood. Are you in the shopping mood, my love?
Day number 2. That's what I'm excited about.
I'm more excited to see all the other adventures that my baby's taking me on. Right now, we're gonna go to eat. We're gonna go get some habits, and then from there, we're gonna go to the ghost town.
Like the typical. Have you ever seen those videos where the band, the leader of the band is talking in the video, and then there's always someone on the side going like,
yeah. El refuerzo.
hey, like the backup rapper.
But I need food. I need to stay in a really cool place because it's 108 degrees out there, and I need some food. So let's go eat. Okay, we got our food. We got some habits. That's my baby's burger. Sorry for my slow voice, but my energy is nowhere to be found right now. I need to eat, and then maybe my energy will be up, but it's hot and it's draining. You know if you've been to the Mojave. Welcome to Calico Ghost Town. It's open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and I guess there's actually a house up here where I'm not sure how much you have to pay.
Let's find out.
I thought we were like the only ones. But
No, it's actually cool that there's like 2 or 3 more people.
yeah, we don't want to be the only
really want to
ones.
be out here by yourself. This is kind of like the old way, the wild west, the old wild west. Are we gonna make a wild west movie here, baby?
Yeah. So 8 per person. Those are the prices.
Hello.
We're in and we had to pay $8 per person.
She actually checked. Did you see her looking at the back?
We have nothing but our suitcases in the back. I do need to go to the restroom. Whoa, this is so cool. I'm excited. I'm excited to see the ghost town. Okay, so these are some of the bathrooms here. They have water, toilet, a mirror, and whoa. I think you can stay here and sleep because they have showers. Where did my baby go? I'm looking for my love. Oh, there he is. I just saw the cutest little chipmunk. It's not a chipmunk, it's a white-tailed antelope squirrel. ¡Qué hermosa! Me encantas. Te quiero llevar a mi casa.
existen chupacaras?
Yes. All right, we're done with the ghost town. It's been great. It's too hot to be walking around in all these this heat, but we're done. We're out. On to the next spot. We're headed to some beautiful rocks that are all colorful. We'll see you then. Look at this. I never sweat like this, but today I'm sweating. My makeup's falling off my face. My baby looks amazing. Okay, the next spot is the XZYX Road.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
XYZX Road. If I'm saying it wrong, I'll input it right here. There's nobody here. The cement road ended, so this is where we stopped, and this is the view that we have. It's beautiful. Really nothing, nobody, no electricity poles. It's like dry sound. I love the sound these rocks make. You hear that? You hear that? Ah! Okay. Okay, we're done taking photos at the XYZZ Road, double XYZ Road. We took some cool photos. My baby did a drone shot, and now we're headed back on the road. But it seems like there's a horrible accident up ahead. We have like a 7-minute delay. It's like red. Show them, baby. So we're here. Accident is around here somewhere. Probably there, most likely. But I'm glad we went to pee before, or else that would have sucked. Me imagino que el tráfico de aquel lado es porque vienen chismoseando.
No tú.
This is my type of outlet. Indoors with AC. You know you're in Nevada when it starts smelling like cigars and cigarettes
Everywhere.
inside. And yes,
Ooh,
over here.
H&M was in the back.
Yeah, but I wanted to go to the bathrooms.
Bathrooms?
Yeah. Well, this thing is full of art. Like, really cool art. I see a wild creature in its natural habitat. It's my baby.
Am I the wild creature?
Yeah.
Ooh, phone inception. You're recording me, I'm recording you, you're recording me, that I'm recording you.
Next stop is the 7 Magic Mountains.
No me sé el nombre, amor.
I think it's the 7 Magic Mountains. You're gonna see right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We made it to another tourist spot. It's called the 7 Magic Mountains. There's a lot of people, but we're gonna get a really nice shot because that's just what we do. Ya nos vamos de aquí de las 7 montañas mágicas. Están hermosas en medio de un desierto, cosas con muchos colores, no cosas sino piedras, arriba de piedras con muchos colores. Vale la pena venir a tomarse una foto con estas piedras grandototas. Y ya nos vamos a otro lugar, creo que ya vamos al hotel en Las Vegas y de ahí lo que sigue. Así que si gustan seguir viendo, pues adelante, porque esta cosa sigue. Bye. We stopped at CJ's Italian Ice and Custard, and I got the mango chamoy, what was it? Italian ice with the vanilla custard. I couldn't decide if I wanted watery or milky, and well, I got both. What did my baby get? What did you get?
Look at the cones they have in here. This is a double dipped cone, waffle cone, with vanilla custard and fudge and marshmallow. Fudge.
So we got our ice cream, we got a little treat, and now we're headed to the hotel.
We're going to sign. Popular Las Vegas sign before we get to the hotel.
All right. Next stop, the Vegas sign. We came, we saw, we conquered. Las Vegas. Why does it look clearer than mine?
Sí, tiene que contarle ahí.
Ahí.
Nunca he venido yo aquí a este lugar y ya se me hizo. Gracias.
We arrived to the Tuscany Suites. My baby did an amazing job. He's always scared that the hotels he's gonna choose aren't up to my standards. Not that I have high standards, but there's just some rooms that smell like smoke, and that just doesn't go with me. Of course, you can ask for non-smoking rooms, but sometimes even the non-smoking rooms smell like smoke, especially in Vegas. Everybody seems to smoke, but this one is clean, it's spacious, and it's really, really nice. So Tuscany Suites, definitely recommend. I guess they were really good on pricing. They're not as pricey as the ones on the actual strip. This is not on the strip, but it's nice. And I'm gonna show you a little tour of the Tuscany Suite that we got. Ready? As we enter, we have a little bar section. That's your bar with a little table, a lamp. You have your living area where you see my love fixing his camera, a little desk with a mirror. There's a stain on the chair. Weird. And this is the AC, the AC system. A little old school, but it'll do. It's pretty fresh. We have a TV, some more door space, a huge king bed, a mirror, a closet. This is like your basic closet. You have more pillows, hangers, a safe, and then the bathroom. So a huge mirror, the sink, you have more towels on the bottom, and then you have a shower. So you have your shower, all tile, and then you have a bathtub. So you get a 2-in-1 and your toilet. And I love bathrooms that have like a separate door for the toilet. So this is cool. I'm ready to see where this night takes us. But for now, we're gonna chill for a little bit and then go see what we're gonna wear for tonight. We're gonna go on the HIghroller. Whoa, there's a light that has a timer and that just turned off and I was not expecting it. But yeah, we're gonna get ready and see where the night takes us. Maxie? Yes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start getting ready because we are, don't mind me. We're gonna go to the HIghroller. My baby got us tickets to go have some drinks for 30 minutes at the HIghroller. We went to look for something to wear. I had this in my bag. I've never ever thought that I would wear this, but here I am. This shirt is super crazy, but I'm feeling it. I don't know. Okay, focus, Daisy, focus.
Wow! What are those?
They call my sandals.
What's so mad? Miami vibes, ya venimos a Chincual nosotros. Ya andamos en Las Vegas. ¿Estás ready?
I'm ready.
Estamos celebrando todavía los 28 horas de diversión de mi amor. Happy birthday, bebé.
Thank you.
Te amo mucho.
Te amo más.
Fuga.
We're waiting for our lift. Hopefully it gets here soon. And then we're headed to somewhere high in the sky. Are
you nervous, baby?
I am.
Feel bit nervous. I don't know why. I feel como que vamos a ir en un roller coaster.
We are.
I hope it's not that bad because I'm not that good with heights or with roller coasters.
HIghroller, and my baby is scared.
Usted, you know. Yo estoy tomando tequila.
I know he's scared because you were holding on. Hey,
Two drinks at the same time. Ya salimos, no venimos tan pedos. Yo creo como un 4 de 10.
No, yo creo que apenas se va subiendo porque nomás fueron 30 minutos, pero en esos 30 minutos fueron como 4 bebidas.
Pero es que están ricas estas que pidió usted. Lemon drop y luego esta que hizo como con Malibu, cranberry juice, pineapple juice y splash of peach.
Están buenas, están buenas.
Están ricas. HIghroller, bien recomendado, shout out al compa José, bartender.
Cheers to Jose.
Y ahorita quiero ir a jugar póker porque pues tengo unos chips aquí que quiero gastar. Me pregunto si nos las cambiarán en el casino. Estos chips. Este es de $1 y este es de 100.